guys, this is me hammering on scrap wood that I got outside. I'm cleaning it up to make a coffee table. Now I'm sanding it, going through the small cuts. So my first attempt was to use bamboo, and I got the idea from a friend who did a small coffee table. This was how it looked, but the bamboo broke pretty easily, so that was a fail. And these are coconuts that I wanted to try cleaning up. It's actually harder than it looks, so respect to the locals who do it for tourists, for souvenirs. I would not do that again. It was a nice experience, but yeah, look at that, it's not so good.